friends, this is Jeevan. Okay friends, today we'll see about why in India the vaccines are not there. This is an important thing because the vaccines are important for corona and COVID-19. Today we will see about this vaccine, why in India the vaccines are not there, and we have uh, how much we can, that much of that production companies we have, but why it is not possible. Okay, I am telling so much about now only in the one line only. Okay, this is an one line, and before that going to our video and this kind of point, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Okay, now we'll go to our video starting. Okay, why corona vaccines are not there in India? Listen, first thing, okay, the main products. It is called as some main products to uh, to preparation of that kind of things. Okay, the vaccines and the vaccine creating things. Okay, for that we want some products, key products. It is not there in our India. Because of it, we are importing that from other countries. Okay, this is an unrevealed, okay, revealed answer, because some important key materials, without many key materials how we can do some things. Okay, how we can do some vaccines or anything. Okay, okay. 1 minute. I think you can see this. Okay friends, we'll continue what we are talking. Okay, this is something, and the next thing. Okay, but we can import, you can ask that we can import from other countries. How much we can buy from any countries, importing to our countries. Okay, how much economy losses will there, because of what the things is not there in India. Because of it, some very low quantity of vaccines are there in our India. In other countries are there. Okay, are there, the vaccines are there. Okay, this is a main thing, and I have listened this from the TV news. Okay, and I will explain it full and fully. Okay, and we will see that what is vaccine first. I will tell that what is vaccine. The vaccine which will help to protect from COVID-19. This is a vaccine. Okay, and okay, and next is why it is our main questions. Okay, because of it we are telling that, and we can import that. Why we have so much manufacturing companies, but the economy is there. The interesting thing is North Korea now is some of the biggest, not biggest, small, but the economically or war. If you get wars list from North Korea, it is where like how like your face will be. This kind of things will there. Okay, interesting thing is this kind of things. One on the one time, now we are thinking like that. We want to go 100 years back. In that time, the North Korea is the worstest countries, one of the listers is there. And when it is growing by Kim's grandfather father, we have improved them to continuing that, and they have helped that by step by step. They have not came start suddenly top, or they are in the top north. They are come from the bottom to top. Because of it, the North Korea is one of the strongest countries in the world. Okay, you can going in the war with North Korea. It is not simple. Okay, and these kind of things are there in now. We have so much things now. The economic is low in that time. You will see what will be in continuing sometimes. Okay, and I want to talk something about one thing. Okay, we will explain it. I have time. I will put this also separate video, but I will tell what it is in this video also. The petrol is gone 100 rupees in India. So much places are continuing that to 100, 100, 100. They are coming like that 100, 100, 100. It is only in the time. Okay, 2 years back I think. 70 rupees the petrol's price and 60 rupees the diesel's price. I think 2 years or 3 years back I think. Okay, how you can in 3 years, that's all. Okay, we will maximize it. Okay, the for 5 years you can keep it like 5 years. In 5 years the 30 rupees is maximized. How you can, this is a big thing. Okay, we will see in our next video these kind of things. We will see the what it is the vaccine, and we will see what is the vaccine, and we will continue in this part. Okay, and we will continue this. Okay, and the vaccine is, what is the vaccine will do, will boost your immunity. Okay, your immunity is in the 20%. Okay, and it will in the first vaccine it will come 60 percentage, 20 to 60 it will go. Okay, in 62 the second vaccine will not the 100. Okay, it will come to 80 percentage. It is not sure. Okay, it is safe, that's all. Not the sure and 100% guarantee. These kind of things are not there. Because of that I am gave some load, and I have get that 80 percentage. Okay, we can keep it like that 80 percentage. Okay, because of it we want vaccine in India's. 1 minute. Okay, we'll continue what we are talking. Okay, again the train is coming. We'll continue, and I will continue this video. Because of it, the 3% of peoples in the India. Okay, they are. Okay, stop. We'll calmly we will talk about this. Okay, the 3%, 100%, the 3% are vaccine, and less than 1% are vaccinated too. Okay, you cannot think it like simple thing. Okay, I want to tell this explain video. Okay, I think this is our end of our video. Until then, bye from C1.